What is up, guys? This is TIMTENSE here, and we're still in Albania, in Shkodra to be exactly. We came back to Shkodra after our trip all the way through Albania because it's closer to the border with Montenegro and closer to our house, to Belgium. And today we're going to do the tour to Theth, which is a day tour, and it starts right here in the hotel. We're actually late already, and it's €10 one way, so €10 going, €10 coming back. Let's do it. Around 7:30 in the morning, we, together with 4 other hotel guests, got picked up at Hotel Kurtabeg in Shkodra. We took off on a journey through the Albanian Alps. Scenic views guaranteed along the way. After about 2 hours on the road, we made a quick coffee stop and enjoyed some beautiful Albanian mountain views. After this, it was time for the real off-roading. The road was very narrow and bumpy. Luckily, we had an experienced driver. And we have arrived in the center of Theth. We have a small church behind us, which is very nice. And the road was pretty bumpy until we had the coffee. That road was pretty okay, but after we had the coffee, the road was very bumpy. And sometimes even a car was coming from the other direction and we had to go on the side, like really next to a cliff, which was pretty scary sometimes, but it's okay. And now we're going to walk to the waterfall and to the canyon, which is about 45 minutes apparently. So
that's what they say.
Let's do that because we don't have a lot of time. And yeah, it's 11:10 now, and we left at 7:30, so it's about 3 hours and a half driving from Shkodra.
And we haven't stopped that much.
No, we just stopped like maybe in total 15 minutes, maximum 20 maybe.
Yeah.
So we don't have that much time because at 2 he's already picking us up again to go back to Shkodra. So it's better to stay here. There are plenty of campings here, guest houses. So it's better to stay here a few nights and take your time. Theth is a small village known for its typical mountain lifestyle. If one thing I regret of visiting Theth is the fact that I didn't stay long enough to enjoy all that beautiful nature more. So in order to get to the canyon and to the waterfall, we need to go to that tower there. But it's not really clear how we need to get there. We just try to find our way. So this region right here they call the Albanian Alps, and it looks very beautiful, very green actually, even though it's very hot, it looks very green. So when you're going to the waterfall here, it's really not clear how to get there, so better ask a few times to be sure. We already asked a few times and they always tell us 20 minutes more, so I don't know. And they also say follow the white and red signs on the rocks, but we don't see any white and red sometimes, but not everywhere. So I hope we're taking the right way. And the waterfall must be closed because I can hear it already. So hopefully not too much people. We saw a lot of people on the way, but we passed them and we are a bit faster. Oh, we see more people. Uh-oh. Danger. So the last part is pretty steep. And it looks like it's like a 3-level waterfall. So we will see. We're hiking to the highest part of the waterfall now. So that was it for the waterfall. The waterfall is very nice. Had drone shots. I hope the light was good in the drone shots. And now we're heading back because our driver is leaving at 2 and it's 12:35 right now and we need to eat still. So it's time to go. Just getting some refreshment. After checking out that beautiful waterfall, it was time to head back. And we're almost back in the center of Theth. It was about 50 minutes hiking to the waterfall from the center, and we're going to grab something to eat now. But one thing I want to tell you also is, don't try to do the trip from Shkodra to Theth with a normal car. There are some people that do it, mostly Albanians I guess, but it's not really advisable because the road gets very bumpy and very small. Sometimes 2 cars need to pass, you know. It's really difficult. I wouldn't do it. If you have like a Jeep or something, can be okay, but still it's very tight and the price is not that high, so why would you drive yourself for that price? I think you can do it with somebody. Mostly all the hotels in Shkodra will organize something and you can do it for 10 euro going, 10 euro coming back. Sadly enough, our driver was picking us up at 2:30 already, so no time to relax. Alright guys, this was it for the video from Theth in the Albanian Alps. We are already back in the hotel. I just had a haircut here in Albania and a beard cut for 300 lek, which is like €2.50, which is really not bad. And the guy, he did a really good job. And this is also the last video here in Albania. Tomorrow we are going to Croatia. We are making our way back towards Brussels. We will make a stop in Croatia, one in Austria, maybe in Germany, and then back to Belgium. So this is the last video. If you haven't seen the other videos of Albania, make sure to check them out. The link, the videos you can see in the playlist of Albania. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And give the video a big thumbs up. And see you in the next one.